Guys, I just found a channel that makes $9,000 a month with no special skills, just AI tools. And here's the amazing thing, it does it in the simplest way possible. They create videos that take a few minutes to produce, but the results are incredible. Let's check out their statistics. 27,000 subscribers. 5 million total views. Yes, millions! When I check their videos, I noticed that almost all of their content has millions of views. I spent 24 hours analyzing this channel, and what I found changed the way I see content creation forever. They use AI in a way I've never seen before, and today, I'm gonna show you how to recreate their most viral videos in just a few minutes. While other YouTubers spend weeks researching, filming, and editing, you can produce these videos in just a few minutes with no experience. Step 1 is to screenshot the video. Include the thumbnail and title in the screenshot because you'll need to upload it on ChatGPT as a file. Next step is to log into ChatGPT and type the simple prompt. I want to make a video like the Smile Cat Story channel. This photo is a sample of one of its videos. Please generate 15 photo prompts and a video script. By the way, you can download all my prompts in the description. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate everything for you. Let's move on to step 3, creating images. You'll need to create images and videos, and trust me, you don't need any experience with this. After ChatGPT prepares your scripts and prompts, log into leonardo.ai. I've linked it in my bio so you don't have to go digging. Enter the 15 visual prompts into leonardo.ai one by one, and that's it! Leonardo will generate high-quality images for your videos. No design skills needed. Now that your images are ready, step 4 is creating your perfect video. Log into Runway. You can find it in the description. Upload all your images one by one. Use the text-to-video or image animation feature. In just a few minutes, you'll have a professional and engaging video. I told you! No complicated editing and no heavy software required. Just high-quality, ready-to-publish content. Take it up a notch by branding it properly. Bonus, you can use this to make an extra income. Check out the branding guide in my description. We're so close to finishing! Step 5 is creating a voiceover. A video without a good voiceover feels incomplete, so let's bring your video to a professional level. Copy the script from ChatGPT. Then, paste it into 11 Labs. Wait a few moments, boom! A completely natural and professional voiceover is ready. Don't forget to customize it. Change the language and accent to match your audience. Want a documentary or viral YouTube feel? Choose an energetic and exciting voiceover. Don't forget to try 11 Labs with a discount in my description. Now, let's put everything together and create a professional final video. Editing is crucial because your video can be boring if the editing sucks. This is where CapCut comes in. It's simple to use to make free viral videos. Let's get into it. Open CapCut and click Create New Project. Add all the videos from Runway to the timeline. Review each clip and make minor adjustments. Zoom in on videos to remove website logos and clean up the visuals. If the corners are messed up after zooming, you can crop and adjust aspect ratio. Now, let's spice it up even more. Add a blur effect to add a beautiful depth to your background. Then, add the voiceover from 11 Labs to the project. Synchronize the audio with the video so the timing is perfect. If the background noise of the videos from Runway are too loud, you can mute it. Trim silent parts for a smoother, more engaging video. You can use jump cuts to maintain audience attention. This is important because this is Mr. Beast's secret. A video should never be boring for a single second. Okay, here's some more tips so your video can stand out. Add zoom in or zoom out to highlight important moments. You can also shake the effect to add excitement and intensity. Or use pop and slide to make text animations more engaging. Adding this will help you stand out and the YouTube algorithm will push your content more. Okay, now you need to add some energy. Without music, your video will be dull. Here are some free music sources you can get music from. YouTube Audio Library, Pixabay Music, Epidemic Sound, if you have a subscription. Don't forget to add sound effects like thumps, clicks, booms, and swooshes to make your video feel more cinematic. After making your video, click Export and choose these settings. Resolution, 1080p or 4K. Frame rate, 30 frames per second, 60 frames per second preferred. Output and format, MP4. And that's it! In less than 10 minutes, you've created a viral, high-quality video that could get millions of views. No professional editing skills required. No audio recording or videography needed. Everything is done by AI. If you like this method, hit that like button and leave a comment. I read every single one, and I truly appreciate them. Watch the next video and see you around!